Let's make chicken parm sandwich together. Stay tuned with. Stay sharp. Treat the chicken with respect. Divide the chicken into 2 parts. Add salt, black pepper, chili flakes, oregano, garlic powder, onion powder, and little water to the chicken. Mix the spices well with the chicken so that the whole surface of the chicken is covered with it. Let it rest for an hour. For the sauce, pour olive oil, onion, garlic, lime or lemon, tomato paste, barbecue sauce, tomatoes, rosemary, coriander seeds, dried basil, smoked paprika, oregano, salt, and black pepper into the mixer jar. Mix all ingredients well. Why do we mix vegetables and tomatoes together before cooking? Because after cooking, the color of the sauce will be red and the flavors will mix well during cooking. Let it cook for half an hour on medium heat. Stir the egg with the mustard sauce to remove the smell of the egg. Mix the flour with salt and black pepper so that the flour is not tasteless. Mix breadcrumbs or panko with paprika for better color after cooking. Frying line is ready. Now dip the chicken into the bowl like I did. Start frying the chickens. Cook 70% in oil and the rest in the oven with the sauce and blah blah blah. The sauce is ready. Spread the tomato sauce on the bottom of the oven tray, then fry chicken, Parmesan cheese, basil, again the sauce, and mozzarella cheese. Leave in the oven for 10 minutes. Pay attention, heat from the top and bottom of the oven. For sandwich sauce, put mayonnaise, garlic, hot sauce, mustard, sour lemon, parsley, black pepper, a little salt and oregano in a bowl and mix well. Everything is ready. Stack and enjoy this delicious monster. Love you all, guys.
Mm.